初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
My suitcase is almost ready.
My suitcase is almost ready.
我的行李箱几乎准备好了。
My suitcase is almost ready.
My suitcase is almost ready.
Did I pack enough clothes?
Did I pack enough clothes?
我带的衣服够吗？
Did I pack enough clothes?
Did I pack enough clothes?
I need my passport too.
I need my passport too.
我也需要我的护照。
I need my passport too.
I need my passport too.
Don't forget phone charger again.
Don't forget phone charger again.
别再忘记手机充电器了。
Don't forget phone charger again.
Don't forget phone charger again.
I should check the weather.
I should check the weather.
我应该查看一下天气。
I should check the weather.
I should check the weather.
Where is my travel pillow?
Where is my travel pillow?
我的旅行枕头在哪里？
Where is my travel pillow?
Where is my travel pillow?
I'll bring a water bottle.
I'll bring a water bottle.
我会带一个水瓶。
I'll bring a water bottle.
I'll bring a water bottle.
Snacks are always important.
Snacks are always important.
零食总是很重要的。
Snacks are always important.
Snacks are always important.
Did I lock the windows?
Did I lock the windows?
我锁窗户了吗？
Did I lock the windows?
Did I lock the windows?
Turn off the lights, please.
Turn off the lights, please.
请关灯。
Turn off the lights, please.
Turn off the lights, please.
Set the alarm for morning.
Set the alarm for morning.
设置早上的闹钟。
Set the alarm for morning.
Set the alarm for morning.
I'm excited for this trip.
I'm excited for this trip.
我对这次旅行感到兴奋。
I'm excited for this trip.
I'm excited for this trip.
I hope everything goes smoothly.
I hope everything goes smoothly.
我希望一切顺利。
I hope everything goes smoothly.
I hope everything goes smoothly.
The flight is early tomorrow.
The flight is early tomorrow.
明天航班很早。
The flight is early tomorrow.
The flight is early tomorrow.
I must go to bed early.
I must go to bed early.
我必须早点睡觉。
I must go to bed early.
I must go to bed early.
I'll double check my tickets.
I'll double check my tickets.
我会再次检查我的票。
I'll double check my tickets.
I'll double check my tickets.
Wallet, keys, and phone ready.
Wallet, keys and phone ready.
钱包、钥匙和手机准备好了。
Wallet, keys, and phone ready.
Wallet, keys and phone ready.
I'll download some movies later.
I'll download some movies later.
我稍后会下载一些电影。
I'll download some movies later.
I'll download some movies later.
Music makes travel more fun.
Music makes travel more fun.
音乐让旅行更有趣。
Music makes travel more fun.
Music makes travel more fun.
I need comfortable shoes packed.
I need comfortable shoes packed.
我需要打包舒适的鞋子。
I need comfortable shoes packed.
I need comfortable shoes packed.
Bring sunscreen for sunny days.
Bring sunscreen for sunny days.
为晴天带上防晒霜。
Bring sunscreen for sunny days.
Bring sunscreen for sunny days.
I'll take my sunglasses too.
I'll take my sunglasses too.
我也会带上我的太阳镜。
I'll take my sunglasses too.
I'll take my sunglasses too.
Where is my favorite book?
Where is my favorite book?
我最喜欢的书在哪里？
Where is my favorite book?
Where is my favorite book?
I should pack some medicine.
I should pack some medicine.
我应该带一些药。
I should pack some medicine.
I should pack some medicine.
I'll bring a small umbrella.
I'll bring a small umbrella.
我会带一把小雨伞。
I'll bring a small umbrella.
I'll bring a small umbrella.
My bag feels too heavy.
My bag feels too heavy.
我的包感觉太重了。
My bag feels too heavy.
My bag feels too heavy.
Maybe remove something unnecessary.
Maybe remove something unnecessary.
也许去掉一些不必要的东西。
Maybe remove something unnecessary.
Maybe remove something unnecessary.
I'll charge my power bank.
I'll charge my power bank.
我会给我的充电宝充电。
I'll charge my power bank.
I'll charge my power bank.
I need to print documents.
I need to print documents.
我需要打印文件。
I need to print documents.
I need to print documents.
Keep valuables in carry-on.
Keep valuables in carry-on.
把贵重物品放在随身行李里。
Keep valuables in carry-on.
Keep valuables in carry-on.
I'll set a morning reminder.
I'll set a morning reminder.
我会设置一个早晨提醒。
I'll set a morning reminder.
I'll set a morning reminder.
I'm ready for new adventures.
I'm ready for new adventures.
我准备好迎接新的冒险了。
I'm ready for new adventures.
I'm ready for new adventures.
I love traveling to places.
I love traveling to places.
我喜欢去各地旅行。
I love traveling to places.
I love traveling to places.
I can't wait to explore.
I can't wait to explore.
我等不及去探索了。
I can't wait to explore.
I can't wait to explore.
Take pictures of nice views.
Take pictures of nice views.
拍下美丽风景的照片。
Take pictures of nice views.
Take pictures of nice views.
Try new local foods happily.
Try new local foods happily.
开心地尝试当地新食物。
Try new local foods happily.
Try new local foods happily.
Enjoy every moment out there.
Enjoy every moment out there.
享受在那里的每一刻。
Enjoy every moment out there.
Enjoy every moment out there.
Meet new people with smiles.
Meet new people with smiles.
带着微笑认识新朋友。
Meet new people with smiles.
Meet new people with smiles.
Come back with great memories.
Come back with great memories.
带着美好的回忆回来。
Come back with great memories.
Come back with great memories.
Good night, tomorrow will shine.
Good night, tomorrow will shine.
晚安，明天会更好。
Good night, tomorrow will shine.
Good night, tomorrow will shine.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。